The definition of the section is breaching the law and importing the foreign commodities. That doesn't mean taking in possession the foreign commodities. In their charge, only the fact that in Daw Aung San Suu Kyi's residence, walkie-talkies were found. So that's not the merit of the case. When the procession of taking victory in the election came past her residence, she went out of house and from her compound waved at them. The authorities alleged that it was breaching the COVID restrictions. The statement of NLD said that the military takeover was an illegal act. That statement had hurt the prestige of the military government, they said. The course of action is the same as the walkie-talkies. For the same transaction, a person cannot be charged or cannot be punished twice.
အားလုံးမင်္ဂလာပါလို့ကျွန်တော်ဒီနေ့နိုင်ငံတော်စီမံအုပ်ချုပ်ရေးကောင်စီရဲ့ပြည်လှုပ်ဆောင်ချက်များနိုင်ငံတော်ဖွံ့ဖြိုးတိုးတက်ရေး
အမေရိကန်ဒေါ်လာအသိန်းခွက်ကိုအောင်ဆန်းစုကြည်အိမ်မှာပဲဟိုတိုင်း
The rights of our defendant, Daw Aung San Suu Kyi, have been breached and damaged many times. She cannot meet any lawyer, so that is our fair trial rights has been breached, damaged.